If you guys don't know who I am ChelseaChameleon, and I am back with another video. I really didn't vlog today, so I feel bad. So I'm going to make it up by doing a little nighttime skincare routine while I'm here in Korea. Yes, I am in Seoul, South Korea. We are staying in Hongdae right now. It's a little bit different because I am like away, but it's basically the same thing. I do have a couple of skincare videos on my channel, so I'll link them up here and down below if you guys haven't seen them. So I'm gonna do my skincare routine, and then I'll actually give you guys a little mini tour of our Korean style bathroom. It's a bit different than American bathrooms, and it's really cute. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with my headband. So now that our headband is on, I'm going to remove my point makeup, and I have on a lot of eyeliner today, as you can tell, and a lot of mascara. So I'm actually going to go in with a makeup remover, but it's not your typical makeup remover. It's actually oil, and this is from Africa's Best. It's like their hair, nail, and like face or body oil. I don't know what the exact name is. And I'm just using a cotton pad to put the product on. I'm just going to remove my point makeup, and it comes off a lot easier with the oil. And I didn't fill the bottle up because oil tends to want to leak, especially while traveling. And just in case it busted, I didn't want to fill up the bottle and waste so much product. So my face is very oily, but it's fine because the oil is not going to be sitting on my skin for too long. So I don't really mind the oil being on my face right now. Also, make sure you get your mascara. I kind of just like to swipe up and down, making sure I'm getting everything. Alright, so now that I've removed my eye makeup, I'm going to remove my eyebrow makeup and my foundation. And I'm just using these makeup removing wipes. I got these from Walmart, and they're actually really good for removing makeup. That's why I really like these. Just removing my brows, and I just like to swipe up and over, just gently, and it comes off. And now I don't have brows. I'm taking one more to remove my face makeup. I kind of sweated a lot of it off, so I don't have too much on. So this is what my skin looks like. It actually looks pretty good. It's a piece of hair, but it looks really good so far. I still have a scar right here, and then I have a mole now. But my hyperpigmentation actually looks pretty good. Like, it's actually not so bad, and I don't really have any breakouts. So yeah, my skin is looking really good despite traveling. I did break out on the plane, but I used my Cosrx patches, so now my skin isn't so crazy right now. I'm gonna go in with my cleanser. This is a black charcoal cleanser. I don't know the name of it, but if I do find it, once I get back to the States, I'll link it down below. I have two cleansers here, one for the morning or the daytime, and then one for the nighttime. This one is a lot more deep cleansing because I do have on makeup after the evening, so I wanted to remove any other makeup that I may have. And it doesn't really foam up that much, but it foams up just enough. So I'm using this toner, and this is from Cosrx, but I just put it in this travel bottle. This is the Centella, the Cosrx Centella toner, and I love this stuff so much. It is literally the best thing. I just like go crazy with this because it's that good. And I'm just gonna pat it in. And I actually mentioned this in my shower skincare video, so I'll link it up here if you guys want to check it out. But I totally recommend this toner. If you're acne prone, if you're oily, if you have sensitive skin, it just works. It's just so calming, and it just feels really good on the skin. Alright, so next I'm going to actually sheet mask, and I have a whole collection of sheet masks that I brought with me. I brought one to use every day, if not more than every day, probably 2 times a day. I'm going to be using this one. This is from Skinfood. It's the Beauty Berry one. And if you guys have not seen my sheet mask collection, I have a video on my channel. So I'll link it up here and down below. I love the Skinfood products. We're actually going to Myeongdong tomorrow, so I'm going to probably pick up some more Skinfood stuff because their products are actually really good quality and they're not that expensive. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes, and while I wait, I'm actually going to give you a little tour of our bathroom, so I will be back in 1 second. Okay guys, so this is our bathroom in our Airbnb. So I'm just gonna step in. So this is the door. It leads right out into a little like doorway area right here. And then the door does lock. And right next to it is the toilet paper roll. And then I don't know what this thing is, but it has a little Mickey Mouse thing on it. And then this is a plug actually. You can just plug something in right there. Here is the beautiful toilet, and it just says Paris, new style on the toilet. And then here's a little cabinet area. It's actually quite nice. At the top, our host has extra toilet paper, and then right here is just like a shelf with little like decorations and stuff. I don't really know what's back there, but it's something. I think she also gave us free Q-tips to use as well. And then right here, I kind of like invaded on the space, but I just put my little skincare stuff right here, and I'm just gonna quickly go through the stuff that I have. I just have a little cleaning pad for my face. I just have a travel version of like a face mask. This is a clay mask. I have my Nivea cream down there. And then I have my toner. This is another toner that I use. This is from the Face Shop. And then I have some oil. I just use that for my face right now. And then this is my daytime cleansing foam. And then I just have some spray. That's the cleanser that I just used. I have a shea butter stick back there. And this is my toner. And right here is my roommate or my friend Raven's little wash pad. And then right here, as you guys saw, those are my sheet mask. And then back there are some things that our host had on the shelf, but I kind of just pushed it to the back. And then these are my cotton swabs and cotton balls. And that is my makeup removing like package right there. Right here, that's my tooth cup. Whoops, gotta put back my toner. But that's my tooth cup where it just has my cup, and then it has my toothbrush and my toothpaste. And then this is this really pretty flower decoration thing that our host put. And then this is the mirror. And then we just have some Korean soap. And then this is the sink. The sink is actually really nice. It's pretty spacious. And then underneath is the drain for the shower, and then some shower shoes. All right, so this is the shower area. Right here is just a shower cap for my hair. And this is a little glass thing right here that just separates the toilet area from the shower. And you step inside, we just have some towels hanging up to dry right here on the little shower rack. And then right here is the actual shower. This is a detachable shower head, so you can like spray different things if you want. And then here is the vent. And this is a little rack with all the products that our host gave us. That blue thing is actually mine. But yeah, she gave us like free shampoo, free conditioner and stuff for our hair. And then of course this is the control panel right here. This is where you actually turn on the shower. And then I love the floor, it's so cute and pink. So now we're back to the front, and this is just another drying rack, and just has towels and stuff on it as well. Alright you guys, so this is an overview of our little Korean bathroom. So cute. Very spacious too. Alright, so I took off my sheet mask now. My skin feels pretty good. I'm actually going to double up on essence. This is a mixture of lots of essences that I just put in this Mario Badescu empty bottle. I just like to spray it on my hand, rub it in, and then just pat, press, and release. It kind of like acts as like a suction cup for your skin, and it's not as rough as like constantly patting because that can irritate your skin. So it helps the product sink in, but it's not too stressful on your skin. And also it doesn't hurt as much. Now I'm just going to be using this lotion. This is a no sebum. This is like the peach lotion, I think, from Skinfood. And I'd like to just put a drop because I really don't care about my sebum production at night because I'm just going to bed. But in the daytime, I do slather this stuff on. Alright, and then the last step, I'm just going to put on this cocoa butter stick, and the bottom of my face has been kind of dry, and I'm just going to put this on my lips too because my lips have been very dry since flying, so I'm kind of smoothing that on. Then I'm just going to be taking my finger and just putting it around my lips and just on the dry patches on my skin, just so it can be a little bit more moisturized. Alright you guys, so that is it for my little travel nighttime skincare routine. It is a bit more simple than my regular nighttime skincare routine, and also I don't need to exfoliate today because my skin is pretty clean. I haven't really been caking on too much makeup because I haven't been really using primer for the past couple of days. But when I do exfoliate, I can do maybe like a small little video if you guys want to see that. But yeah, that is it for this video. Please comment down below, what is your travel skincare routine? What country are you in? Are you on vacation like me right now? I want to know. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like skincare routine videos, or if you like travel vlogs or anything like that. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in general. Alright, I'm tired. It's like 3 a.m. so I'm going to go to bed. But I will see you guys in the next one. Stay colorful. Bye-bye.